Securities are on this way. Is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, for this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Yung namimili ko dito sa Arit to. Yung wala ko itong Magic Man.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Tapos syempre first kill. Hindi tayo, no? Sure. One down. 2 down. Pag nabasler nyo, try yung kunin na agad yung crab.
I'll hunt you to the ends of the earth.
Sure na sa inyo to. Pero pag nahatak to, kaya ko itong crab.
Your demeanor disappoints me.
Oh, kuha ko yan, tol. Wala kasi makuha ng crab tong Harit eh. Kaya advantage siya sa lane eh. Kaya pag nakuha niya yung crab balagi, lalamang kayo sa kalin nyo guys, ng pera.
Thank me,
kahit mamatay pa kayo din.
First blood.
Kung mamatay man nyo, makabawi ka. Lalagyor ka.
Good game.
Tara boy.
Wow, I'm touched by your focus.
Let's go kay boy. Hindi ko siya maharasin. First heal lang kayo. Malugi. Saya ang buhat eh. Uy! TikTok yun ah. Naka-sprint. Magaling tong Franco, naka-sprint. Try lang mag-trade din pagkakalod kalaban nyo kasi mahina mag-def yun. Tapos kunin nyo ulit ang crab pagka-spawn. Hindi naman kuha yan akin. Sure yan.
Thank me, my lowly opponent.
Long times meron yan, sure. Kaya natuwa na yun. Kasi saan na turtle.
Prepare for your judgment! Launch attack!
Oy! Nasi doon. Siyempre pagkakalamin din ko ito namin ang boots. Tapos sunod ko na dyan, Feather of Heaven. So ito pala guys, sa mga hindi lang nakakalam. Pag mag-check pala kayo sa Arit, gamitin yung first heal niya pag may impure rage kayo. Kasi ito yung impure rage, ano to eh. Pag may tao sa bush, pag nawala yung impure rage, ibig sabihin may tao sa bush.
I'll hunt you to the ends of the earth.
Sabihin, walang tao dyan. Diba? Pakita ko naman sa inyo pag ano, may tao. May impure rage ako, diba?
Wow, I'm touched by your focus.
Hindi ko tinamaan.
Ult is not ready.
Kasi pag tumama yan, nawawala. So ibig sabihin, may chance na may ano yan. May chance na may tao pagka tumama. May tao talaga. Ibig sabihin, tulad na ito, pag may ganito. Wala rin. So hindi lang naman nakakalam, pero alam ko marami naman alam dito. Flicker. Nice. Hindi mo ako kaya. Balik sabi mo. Take. Dahil natin yung mga kasama. Sensya na kayo sa buong sasyo guys, may tema ako.
Thank me, my lowly opponent.
Include, walang bimay. Yan. Pero pag nagda-dash-dash kayo pag naka-ulti, try nyo guys. Try nyo, di ba pagka nagda-dash, pipindutin mo parang atake. Kahit wag yun pindutin yung atake. Kasi madidelay na atake nyo dun. Parang babagal yung kamay nyo. Yun nyo, try ko dito. Hindi ko na pipindut yan Try ko na pipindut ko. Pero pag continuous target kayo, syempre. Diba yun? Pag naman yung team fight pag-aarit yung rest mo, kaya blast double. Hindi na kami mag-snowball yung mga team fight. Kasi pang team fight din ito ka-aarit eh. So ngayon maganda, kahit spam nyo ito guys, ito yung papalasan natin nyo.
Team destroy the turret.
Hindi na kasi nababantay.
Wow, I'm touched by your focus.
Team destroy the turret.
Nice po.
Evildoer, prepare the kill. Double kill.
Oh my god, drama na.
You can't catch me.
Ult is not ready. Launch attack.
Yun.
Your demeanor disappoints
Launch
me.
attack.
Yung pamulong natin guys.
Godlike.
Wow, the outside
Ult is not ready.
I'll hunt you to the ends of the earth. All that is evil should be sealed away.
Uy. Little flavor. Oh my god.
Double kill. Request backup.
I'll hunt you to the ends of the earth.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Grabe.
Wow, the outside world
Launch
is quite
attack.
intriguing.
Dito na ako ipit to.
Launch attack.
Your demeanor disappoints me.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Double kill.
Dito, Reels Gravity.
Thank me, my lowly opponent. All that is evil should be sealed away. Evildoer, prepare for your judgment!
You have slain an enemy. Good game.
Thank me,
Oh my
lowly
god,
opponent.
bro. Bubo ng dash ko. Mas dapat yan ina eh. Sakit ng cloud din nila guys. Dami item.
I'll hunt you to the ends of the earth.
Tayo.
Request backup.
You can't catch me.
Nag-sentry yung mga Lodi.
Your demeanor disappoints me. Wow, I'm touched by your focus.
Wala,
Launch attack. Monster
kinagat
kill.
pa.
Launch
Wow,
attack.
the outside world is quite intriguing.
Wala ka na.
Launch attack. Godlike. Launch attack.
Nice
All
one
that is
team.
evil should be sealed away.
Pero biya may cloud. Pag nakita ka patay sa akin to.
Launch attack.
Wow, the outside world is quite intriguing.
Slay
Launch
time.
attack. An ally has slain Lord. You destroyed a turret.
Prepare for your judgment.
kumagat.
Legendary. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. An enemy has been
Oh my
slain.
God.
Double kill. You have slain
Kulit
an
mo.
enemy. White power. Prepare for your
Talaga ng dalaban ka. Yan, yan lang guys. Ito, gamitin nyo tong Haris para pag mythic immortal na kayo.
victory.